Hi skaters out there, we have a fun one today. It's a request, so we appreciate the request. Keep those coming because it keeps us interested, our channel interesting. Keeps it interesting for us because it keeps us having to learn new things, so appreciate that. So I've come up, this is a shuffle skating video, and this is a what's it called, double bubble shuffle. All right, we've called it a double bubble because when you do bubbles in the beginning, when you're starting to learn how to skate backwards, you do, these are just basic bubbles where you go forward, backward like this, forward. It's just good practice to generate your speed to go backwards, and that's why it's called the double bubble. So Jazz is going to follow me around here, and I'll show you guys. I'm going to demonstrate it first, and then we'll break it down. Ready? Let's go. All right, I'm going to get going. Get a little speed. Double bubble this way, cross, double bubble right, double bubble this, double bubble crisscross, double bubble cross, double bubble cross, double cross, double cross. All right, so what we're gonna do is, thing with this is you want to stay bouncy, you know, with this, and always, you know, to the beat. It helps to do these bubbles. You really need to unweight your body, go up and down. Don't think of it so much as this, but more of a up and down. But your feet are still doing the action. But when you're going out like this, then you come up, right? When you scissor out, you're going to go down, and when you come back, you're going to rise up, right? Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. When you go out, you go down. When you come together, you're coming up. And just concentrate on that up and down, like that. First, just get these bubbles going first. Mm-hmm. Just go double bubble, up and down, down, up, down, up. Then you cross left, and come out, double bubble, right cross, double bubble, left cross, double bubble, right cross, double bubble, left cross, double bubble, right cross, double bubble, left cross. So that's the double bubble. It's pretty cool. Just the thing to remember is just try to stay in beat. Follow that beat. Doesn't really matter what you do. Just stay in the beat. Stay in the beat. Just stay in the beat. All you gotta do to remember is just stay in the beat. So you can incorporate different moves to this. Like I said, when you're coming around, double bubble cross, double bubble cross. You can just turn like this, and then back forward, and then do it again. That's one thing you can do. Left cross, double bubble, right cross, jump. Those are all things you can do. Once you do your double bubble, you can turn around, do a moonwalk, whatever, and then go back around. It's up to you, really, your creativity, and it doesn't really matter, again, what you do. Just do it to the beat, and you'll find the flow, and it is so much fun to do, especially to music. These are tutorials, so kind of limits. I don't really have the music. It's much easier with music to follow the beat, being rhythmic with it and going up and down and following that flow. So you guys, really appreciate you guys checking out the video today. I hope it was fun and you guys found it helpful and useful, and we love your suggestions, so keep them coming. We like the likes and the feedback. It helps us keep going with our channel. So again, once again, appreciate you guys checking out. Until next time, we will see you later. Bye.